Hello everyone. When you have two fluids flowing past one another, say for example, wind blowing over the ocean, even the smallest of disturbances will result in the formation of these rolled up vortices which you see in the first picture. These are called the Kelvin Helmholtz instabilities, or KHI for short. KHI, it's a pretty common phenomena. It's what is responsible for the waves that you see in the ocean and also for the wave-like features which you see in the clouds over here. KHI is common not just in a planet's atmosphere, but also in its near space plasma environment called the magnetosphere. So when I say magnetosphere, I refer to this region within our confined within our Earth's magnetic field over here. So how does KHI form in space? Our sun, it constantly emits streams of high energetic particles called the solar wind. Most of the incoming solar wind is deflected by the planet's magnetic field and it flows across the outermost boundary called the magnetopause. So on one side of the magnetopause, you have the solar wind flowing, and on the other side, you have the Earth's plasma flowing. Both these plasmas have different densities, velocities, and temperatures. All the required conditions have for KHI has been met, and there's nothing which is going to stop the formation of these beautiful vortices. So what does KHI vortices do? Well, for starters, it's going to mix the plasma on either side of the magnetopause. In this way, whatever solar wind is deflected by the magnetic field can still enter our Earth's magnetosphere. In addition to this, KHI vortices also heat the plasma as a result of various wave particle interactions. What we do not know is how efficient are KHI vortices in mixing and heating the plasma. So far, we know of 3 heating mechanisms, but we don't know which is the dominant one and its dependence on the local solar wind conditions. In what we do know is that the Earth's magnetosphere is about 50 times hotter than the solar wind. Can KHI induced heating explain this? This is the question which I'll be trying to address in my PhD work. So how will I go about answering this question? Though I cannot take pictures like this artistic depiction over here, it is possible for me to collect information about the plasma and electromagnetic fields within these vortices. NASA's MMS mission consists of not one, but 4 spacecrafts whose orbit is designed such that they'll fly right through these vortices and collect several information about the several data about the properties of the plasma and electromagnetic fields within these vortices. You just need to analyze this data to understand the effects of KH vortices on our magnetosphere. Understanding the mechanisms by which solar wind can enter our magnetosphere is very crucial to understanding the impacts of space weather on Earth. KHI is not unique just to Earth. It is reported to be observed in several other planetary and space plasma environments. Understanding nature of space near our home will help us understand the nature of space throughout the universe. Thank you.